Hi and hello students. Let's start the next part of the prove that. Let's revise all the rules. Which is the first rule? Yes, always take the LHS. Second rule, write the formula. Third, if the denominator is not same, then cross multiply. Which is the fourth rule? Take the common. Fifth one, yes, sin square theta plus cos square theta. And the last one is our target. So let's solve this one. The first rule, let's take the LHS. Sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta. So we can write it, factorize it as sin square theta plus cos square theta in one bracket and sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, so I have factorized it first. The first rule is LHS, that's why I have taken the LHS. Second rule, write the formula. There is no sin, no tan theta, no cot theta, no cosec theta, no sec theta. Therefore, I am not going to write the formula. Which is the next one? Yes, if the denominator is not same. Here it is no denominator. That's why I have factorized this sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta minus cos square theta. Because it doesn't follow the rules. Okay, now. Which is the next rule? Rule number 4, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Yes, it is there. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So I have written 1 instead of this one into sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, if you multiply by 1, you will get the same answer. Sin square theta minus cos square theta. Next rule is our target. Our target is 1 minus cos square theta. So it means I don't need sin square theta. So instead of sin square theta, I am going to write the formula 1 minus cos square theta, and minus cos square theta will be as it is. So you will get it, 1 will be as it is, cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta equal to RHS. Let's start with the second example. Sec theta plus tan theta equals to cos theta upon y minus theta. Again the same rules. First rule, LHS. So I have taken already the LHS, sec theta plus tan theta. Which is the second rule? You have to write the formula. Yes, sec theta has the formula 1 upon cos theta plus tan theta's formula sin theta upon cos theta. Which is the next rule? If the d is not same, then you have to cross multiply. But see this one, the d is same. So it will be as it is. If the d is same, then you have to write it as it is. Okay? Then next rule is take the common. There is no common. Next rule is that sin square theta plus cos square theta is there? No, it is not there. Which is the last rule? Our target. See the target, cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta, and I got it different. 1 plus sin theta and cos theta. So what to do? I need 1 minus sin theta in denominator. So what I am going to do? I am going to multiply by 1 minus sin theta to numerator also and denominator also. Why I multiply by 1 minus sin theta? Because I need this in denominator. Okay. Now multiply it, you will get the answer like this. N to N, here it is 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. So it is a 1 minus sin square theta. Then it will be cos theta in bracket 1 minus sin theta. Yeah, we know that 1 minus sin square theta means what? Cos square theta. So I have written cos square theta and it will be as it is. Always remember that in denominator don't multiply it. 1 cos will be cancelled. You will get it cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. And this is our RHS. Let's see the sum number 3. But this is the different one. If tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta equals to 2. From this you have to prove this one. So observe this, here it is a square. So you have to make the square of this one. Tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta equals to 1. This is given. And in exam, students always make the mistake because they see here the square. Say, yes sir, I have to do the square. So they will do it like this. And this is the wrong thing because here it is a plus sign in the middle of them. So you cannot square individually. So you have to make a bracket square. So it should be like this. Tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta bracket square. Why? Because there is a plus sign. And here it is 2 square. So we know the bracket square of this one. It means first square means tan square. Is it tan square theta? Plus 2 into first into second. Let me explain you. 2 into first into second. So this will be cancelled. So 2 1s are 2. So the middle term you will get it 2. And 1 square is 1 upon tan square theta equals to 4. Now 2 goes on that side. So you will get it tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta equals to 4 minus 2. So tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta equals to 2. So this is your answer. Let's start with the different sum. Tan A upon 1 plus tan square A bracket square plus cot A upon 1 plus cot square A bracket square. From this you have to prove that sin A cos A. So which is our first rule? Take the LHS. I have taken LHS. But see here, if you use the first rule, write the formula. It will be lengthy. For that one, you know the formula for the 1 plus tan square A and 1 plus cot square A. So it will be reduced. So I am going to reduce it first. Tan A upon 1 plus tan square A means sec square A bracket square plus cot A upon this is cosec square A. Because cosec square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. Here I have reduced it. Now I am going to follow the rules. Which is the second rule? Write the formula. So I am going to write the formulas of this one. It is a tan A means what? Sin A upon cos A. And then sec square A means 1 upon cos square A bracket square. Because it has a bracket square. So I have written this one. So cot A means what? Cos A upon sin A upon cosec means 1 upon sin. It has a square, so you have to write the square here and the bracket square. Then the next step, sin A upon cos A will be as it is, and then 1 square is 1 and cos square A raised to 2 means we can write it as the cos raised to 4A plus cos A upon sin A upon 1 upon sin raised to 4A. I told you the idea for this one, that the lower goes to the upper and middle comes to the middle. So what you have to write in the next step? Sin A into cos raised to 4A upon cos A into 1 will be a cos A plus this goes to the upper side and it comes to the middle. So cos A into sin raised to 4A upon sin A into 1 as a sin A. So 1 cos will be cancelled and sin will be cancelled. So here we will get it sin A cos cube A plus cos A sin cube A. Now which is our next formula? Take the common. So I am going to take the common here as a sin A and cos A as a common. Okay, because sin A and cos A as a common, sin A comes outside. From the cube, 1 come outside, so we can write it cos square A plus cos A comes outside. Sin cube में से एक बाहर आया, it will be as a sin square A. Okay, so we know this one. Sin square A plus cos square A means what? 1. Sin A cos A in bracket 1. And here you have to give the reason. Sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. See, if you multiply by this one, you will get sin A cos A. And this is our RHS. Let's start with the different sum. Sec raised to 4a in bracket 1 minus sin raised to 4a minus 2 tan square a equals to 1. Now this is raised to 4a. So here I am going to factorize this first and then I am going to use the rules. For sec raised to 4a in bracket, this I know that 1 plus sin square a in one bracket and 1 minus sin square a in another bracket minus 2 tan square a. Then instead of this one, we know the formula for this one. Sec raised to 4a in bracket 1 plus sin square a, and instead of this I am going to write it cos square a minus 2 tan square a. So I have reduced the sum and then I am going to use the formulas. First, where there you can reduce the sum, reduce it first and then use the formula. So write the formulas of this one first. Sec raised to 4a. Sec a means 1 upon cos a. It has a raised to 4, so I am going to write the raised to 4. In bracket, it doesn't have any formula, so I am going to write as it is. 1 plus sin square a. It doesn't have any formula, so it will be as it is. And minus 2. Tan formula is sin square a upon cos square a. So here you have to write the 2 to the sine. Okay. Now I am going to cancel this one. So what do you get? 1 upon cos square a. In bracket 1 plus sin square a will be as it is. And here you will get it 2 sin square a upon cos square a. So multiply by 1 upon cos square a to these both, you will get it like this. This into 1. So 1 upon cos square a plus, if you multiply to this one, you will get it sin square a upon cos square a. If you multiply by 1 upon cos square a to sin a, then sin square a into 1 sin square a upon cos square a, and minus 2 sin square a upon cos square a. Now see the denominator, it is same. So I am going to write it as it is. And 1 plus sin square a minus 2 sin square a. So what you get it from this? This is 1 and this is 2. 2 minus 1 will be minus 1. So 1 minus sin square a. Minus 2 plus 1 will be minus. Upon cos square a will be as it is. And we know that 1 minus sin square a means what? Cos square a upon cos square a. So it will be cancelled. You will get it 1. And this is our RHS.